So I just wanted to show you a little bit about some of these exercise progressions or regressions. Some of us are more at a starter level and we're using just banded exercises, which is totally fine, or we're recovering from an injury. So we would use a band. If you wanted, we would add weight. When we add weight, we would be on 2 feet for a stable surface and make sure we have our core engaged, shoulders back and down. Or we can even do more advanced, doing single leg, using that balance unilaterally. Come on and give it a shot. Let's see what you got.